Hi, my pinakamamahal. This is the moment both of us have been waiting for in the 9 years of being together. With those times, being together, there is this one question you consistently ask me. Bakit mo ako mahal? A question that always makes me deeply think.
Isang tanong na punong-puno ng dahilan, sagot at pangarason.
Pero bakit nga ba?
Kisha lang ako dito.
To you, my dear J. Mark Anthony Calis, may pinakamamahal, to my one and only love. Today, we celebrate the love that we have, and finally, I'm now your officially wifey, and you are now my sexy hubby.
Guys,
Dear loves, this is it. This is truly the day the Lord made.
We're all just merely passing through, doing what we can do in a lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in a lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to
thank you. Alam niyo mukhang pinalit ko lang to kanina.
This is the start of our forever and our lifetime commitment to God and to each other.
We're fools. We sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts will take wings like a sparrow. With its life, we'll take each day as it comes.
Kaya pala naghahanap kayo nito. Tapos sa akin yung pakinuha.
As for me, all of my days, I will spend them all with you, loving you with love to last a lifetime.
That we will continue to love one another until our last breath. Can't wait to see you, my sexy love. My pinakamamahal and my soon-to-be mister. Mahal kita, loves. Ngayon, bukas, magpakailanman. See you, loves. Your beautiful bride, Cha.
It's not so much what we have as how we use what we have in a lifetime. 30 years is worth a
My gift to you symbolizes my love for you as strong as a diamond and more valuable than gold. As we begin this beautiful journey together, may God's blessings light our path, filling our hearts and our home with endless love and unwavering faith. Grabe itong mapapangasawa ko, Inglesero. Baka chinat GPT mo to, ha? Pagmamahal na panghabang buhay, pagmamahal na hindi magbabago, mula noon hanggang sa mga susunod na araw. I will see you at the altar. I love you, J. Mark. Yes. Hindi ako naiyak. Baka dito ako maiyak. Hindi ako naiyak sa letter. Nice!
Sabi nga sa isang linya ng kanta, kaya pangako ko, mula sa araw na ito, sa bawat pag-idlip at bawat gising mo, ay sisikapin kong kailan may di magwawakas ang ngiti't ligaya ng iyong mga bukas.
Kaya pangako ko mula sa araw na ito, sa
Kahit sa panahon na mahirap, pipiliin kong lumaban para sa atin.
ay sisikapin kung kailan may di magwawakas.
Pagpalain kayo kasama ang lahat ng inyong mga kamag-anak at kaibigan.
Saksi ngayon ating mga pamilya at kaibigan, sa harap ng ating Diyos na makapangyarihan. Dahan-dahan kang naglalakad patungo sa akin, sa saliw nitong tugtugin.
I know I may never be the perfect husband, but I promise to always strive to be the right husband for you. The one who chooses you, the one who loves you.
Tantananan, aking makakasama sa magpakailanman.
Thank you so much, love, for this gift. So, alam ko naman na pinaghirapan mo to. Kahit ano naman ang gift mo today, I will appreciate. Kasi gusto ko lang naman makasal sa'yo. Yun lang. I love you so much, love. Naumiyak.
Ikaw pala sinta, kay sa akin ng Diyos na lumikha.
From workmates to life mates, here's to forever, my love. I love you so much, Mr. Go.